Hello everyone, welcome back to the .NET world. Today we will see a front-end interview question in which candidates mostly tell the definition but are not able to differentiate the structure. So I am talking about ngModel directives in Angular. As we know, the ngModel directive is used to perform two-way data binding between view and component. And the structure which I am discussing is ngModel. And as you can see over here, I have written the two structure of the ngModel. But mostly candidate not able to answer this structure. If I say differentiate between these two structure, last week I took around 5 interviews and all the candidates not able to answer this. They know the definition, but they don't know when we going to use this structure and when we going to use this structure in our application. So in simple, this structure, as you can see, ng model, the square bracket, I will going to write down over here, so it will be more easy for you to understand. This second one was this. The first one we use for the two-way data binding, and second we use for one-way data binding. That's it. It's a very simple. But candidate not able to differentiate. Why? Because they don't able to understand, or if I say they are not able to understand the logic behind what they are using. So now we will going to see the example. So as you can see over here, I have created one input field, paragraph, and also added one button. So once I will going to click on the button, the example value will to be assigned in this HTML file. So the example value which I have assigned is in a TS file, which is ilove.net. So as you can see over here, this example I have used in the ngModel. Okay, so this will work as a two-way data binding. So if I will going to run this code, you can see the UI. Once I will going to click on this button, see both the values are printing in the value and also in the input field. So over here it will going to print obviously, but it is also printing. But it is also printing in the input field. Why? Because I have used the two-way data binding of the ngModel. Now if I remove this square bracket from here, now this will going to work as a one-way data binding. How? Once I will going to run this code, loading. Once it's loaded, once I will going to click over here, see you cannot able to see the value. Why? Because it's not binding over here. Because we haven't used a two-way data binding, it is a one-way data binding. So I hope this example helps you to understand the two structure, which is when we use the ngModel with the square bracket, it is used for the two-way data binding, and once we use without the square bracket, it will going to use as a one-way data binding. But most people do not try to understand the logic behind the syntax and the use in application. They just learn the definition and were not able to survive in an interview when asked about the basic concept. And the same, when I asked about the static versus singleton design pattern, they were not able to answer. If you missed the video, I have added the link in the caption. For such informative video, please subscribe and follow. Thanks for watching.